Hey everybody and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to use n8n for free. So let's just begin. First of all, here as you can see I'm currently on its sign up section and I'm basically just creating an account. So I'm going to be selecting basically which of these you feel comfortable doing. So let's just say writing JavaScript functions. If you want to use n8n for that, click on submit. And how do you hear about n8n? Let's just say Google or YouTube. Let's just click on submit, and we're gonna be adding a team member, or if you want to skip we can do that as well. So just wait for a couple of seconds. You can see we can go with a tutorial, or we can simply get start automating. So that's how basically you can use it for free. Simply sign up and create your account. Make sure to use a business email. That is the thing that you're going to be needing. You can see I'm on this dashboard. I can create something from scratch, or I can use a test a simple AI agent as well. So that's it guys, that's how we can use n8n for free. And we got our trail, our left behind, and yeah, so you can add your nodes, you can add your triggers and everything. So if you want to access n8n, you can use the link in the description to get a huge discount. And yeah, make sure to access it using the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching.